Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your silk vintage scarf in 6 ways. So this is the first style. Here I'm folding my scarf in a triangular form to be able to tie it well. So I'm just going to put this on my head. I'm showing you guys the two sides. Then I'm going to tie this behind like so, and I'm just going to try to adjust everything. You can get your vintage scarf from my IG page, my business page, Maryambeebe World. Thank you. So I'm just going to put one end at the back and I'm going to leave the other at the front. So that's it for this style. Yeah,
so guys, this is the second style. My vintage scarf is also folded in a triangle form, so I'm tying this style from the back as seen. I'm securing my scarf here.
I'm tying a second knot to secure it well, and I'm just going to adjust to make everything nice and neat. And I'm just going to take the rest of everything like so and just twist and try to make it into like a donut form like so. And I'm just going to tuck in the rest of the remaining and adjust everything. So this is the end product of style 2.
Scarf 3. So here I'm just going to put the scarf on my head like so, and I'm just going to fold the sides and try to adjust it well to give that perfect arc at the top. I'm just going to try and take the rest and just take it to the back and tie it like so, and just adjust the rest. I'm going to accessorize this with my glasses or spec like so. This is style 4. I'm also doing something similar to style 3. I put the scarf on my head and also trying to adjust the sides. I'm also going to take the two sides and tie a knot in the front like so, and adjusting. That's the end. Then I'm going to accessorize using the glasses. Style 5. I'm also tying this from the back, and I'm going to tie it at the front to secure it like so. Going to adjust. And I'm just going to take the rest from the front and just tuck it by the side like so. Then I'm going to take the two ends and tie it at the back. I'm trying to adjust to make everything neat. And I'm just going to tie that up at the back and tuck everything in to make everything neat, and adjust some more. I'm also going to accessorize this with my glasses. Here's the final look. So here is style 6, and I'm going to put my scarf on my head like so, tight in the back. I'm going to try to adjust everything, and I'm taking the two ends and tying it in the front, and I'm going to make some knots like so. I tied one more knot to give it that bow effect. So this is the final look as the rest with my glasses. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you soon.